Okay, what can we find in here? I think that's beetroot, red cabbage, carrot, spring onion. Oh, I need to take that out. Broccoli? Help me. Could be that I'm saying it wrong, but I think this is broccoli. Yeah. This looks like gherkin, or how would you say that? Yeah, it does. I wonder if this is gonna keep on growing. I don't think so. We'll see, because this is the cucumber, I think. All these are going away. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Doesn't really matter. It's my first year. I try it. I think the pollination doesn't go right here. Yeah, so you won't get any fruits. Is a cucumber fruit? I have no idea. Dude, if I compare to you guys, I'm so, I don't know anything. I'm just doing some.